Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6th. We are on chapter 1 and exercise 1b. Okay. So in last video we had seen questions up to 11. Now we'll be seeing question number 12 and I hope everything is fine at your place. Follow all the protocols and please be safe. So question number 12. Mohani has 30-meter cloth and she wants to make some shirts for her son. See, total length of the cloth is given. Total length 30 meter. And she wants to stitch some shirts for her son. In each shirt, if each shirt requires 2 meter 30 meter cloth. Now this is the total cloth and she has to stitch shirts, not one shirt, many shirts. And for each shirt, she requires 2 meters 30 centimeter cloth. How many shirts in all can be made and how much length of cloth will be left? Okay. Now, total length of the cloth. What is total length of the cloth given? 30 meter. Means, suppose this is the cloth. Okay. This is the cloth. Sorry, I told you already I'm very good in drawing. So suppose this is 30 meter cloth and this cloth has to be divided in such a way that each shirt, now this is, suppose I have divided, so this is 2 meter 30 centimeter long. So this way, okay, means this such a long cloth will be divided into few pieces. Okay, so why, now this piece will be used for making one shirt, second shirt, third shirt, fourth shirt, fifth shirt. Okay, so question is, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will be left after that? So here total length of the cloth is 30 meter. So this, for our convenience, this meter has to, in 5th standard you must have studied in conversions that to convert meter into centimeter we multiply by 100. To convert meter into centimeter we can multiply by 100 because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, so 30 multiplied by 100 gives me 3000 centimeter. Now cloth needed for each shirt. Cloth needed for each shirt. Matlab, in for one shirt, this is for one shirt, this is for second shirt. So for one shirt, cloth needed is 2 meter 30 centimeter. What does it mean? I have to convert completely in centimeter so that centimeter and centimeter. Then we can work out. Okay, one is in centimeter, other is in meter. You will not get correct answer. And it is not allowed also. So it both should be in similar units. Okay, so 2 meter 30 centimeter. So this is already in centimeter, so no need to convert. So I have kept it here in a same way. So 2 meter means 2 into 100 centimeter plus 30 centimeter. So 2 into 100 centimeter, 200 centimeter plus 30 centimeter. Total 230 centimeters. So in short, 2 into 100, 200 plus 30, 230 centimeter. So shirt needed for one, cloth needed for one shirt is 230 centimeter. Now question is, how many shirts will be stitched and how much length of cloth will be left? So number of shirts that can be stitched is 3000 centimeter divided by 230 centimeter. So 3000 centimeter divided by 230 centimeter, centimeter cut 0. This is not cut, children. I have kept it like that only. 3000 upon 230. Centimeter with centimeter gets cut. It will have no units. Number of shirts means only whole number will be there. So I have divided it 3000 divided by 230. So after division, you can see the division done here. 230 ones are 230. What is left is 70. This 0 came down. 700. 230 3s are 690. 10 is left. So number of shirts 13 and 10 centimeter cloth is left. Okay. Hence number of shirts 13 and cloth left is 10 centimeter. Question number 13. The weight of a box is 4 kg 800 gram. What is the total weight of 150 such boxes? So this is short multiplication sum. Previous one was division. The weight of one box is 4 kg 800 grams. Total weight of such 150 boxes is, total weight is 4 kg 800 grams multiplied by 150. I have told you for one if it is given. So for many means multiply. So 150 multiplied by 4 kg 800 grams. So this is short multiplication. Why? Because for one it is given. Information is given for one and you are supposed to find out for many. So 4 kg 800 gram multiplied by 150 gives you 720 kg. How? See here. You have done all these things in 5th standard. 4 kg 800 grams multiplied by 150. Do regular multiplication. Do regular multiplication. 0 zeros are 0, 0 zeros are 0, 0 eights are 0, 0 fours are 0. Then here you write 0. I write this sign for my convenience. 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 eights are 40, 4 carry. 5 fours are 20, 20 plus that carry 4 is 24. So same way you have to do this also. 1 zeros are, so again 2 crosses. 1 zeros are 0, 1 zeros are 0, 1 eights are 8, 1 fours are 4. So now add all, you will get 720, this kg here, this gram here. Okay. So this is simpler one. Practice is needed. Now last question. And we will be stopping this lesson here. Question number 14 will be the last question, and 15, 16 and 17 we will be cancelling. So 15, 16, 17 are not there. We have to cancel them and they won't be there for exams also. Okay. So 15, 16, 17 are cancelled. This is the last question, question number 14. The distance between two places A and B is 3 km 760 meter. A boy travels from A to B and B to A every day. How much distance does he travel in 8 days? So question number 14 you will see a boy is traveling from A to B, right? So the distance from A to B is 3 km 76 centimeter. But sorry, 3 km 76 meter. And from B it is again coming back. So obviously this distance he has to cover again. So from A to B and from B to A. So 3 km 76 meter plus 3 km 760 meters. So this is 760 meters. Okay. Means from A to B and from B to A again. Suppose this is your house and this is school. This is 2 kilometer. Okay, you from house to school you are going for 2 kilometers and coming back home is 2 kilometers. So total distance traveled is 4 kilometers. Similarly here the numbers are big. Rest of the things are same. So the distance traveled by boy in one day. What is the distance traveled by boy in one day? A to B 3 km 760 meter and B to A 3 km 760 meter. So plus, why? Because total here how 2 plus 2 is 4. Similarly you have to add this and this. You can multiply by 2 also. Either plus or multiply by 2. Okay. So after adding, you can see after adding, just add them. 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 6, 12, 1 carry, 2 down, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 1, 15, carry 1, 5 down, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So 7 kilometer 520 meter. So total distance per day. What is the meaning of this sign? Sign per day. Per. So total distance traveled by boy per day is 7 kilometer 520 meters. Okay. So question asked is distance traveled by that boy in 8 days. So in one day we have found, because you know for one day you should know how much distance is traveled by going and coming back. Okay. So now for 8 days if it has to be found, this is for one day. So for 8 day means multiply by 8. So 7 kilometer 520 meter multiplied by 8. I have multiplied, you can see is 8 zeros are 0, 8 2s are 16, carry 1, 6 down, 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 1, 41, 4 1, 8 7s are 56, 56 plus 4, 60. And this kilometer and this meter as it is I have written. So the distance traveled by boy, hence distance traveled by the boy in 8 days is 60 kilometer 160 meters. Okay, so this way we have ended this lesson here. Next chapter, which we will be starting from Monday, will be negative numbers and integer, lesson number 6. Okay, we will be starting lesson number 6 from Monday. And okay, so this way only we have to choose few good lessons which are important for other lessons also. Okay, these are the concepts which will be useful in other lessons, other chapters. So we have to finish the basics first. Once they are known, you'll be able to solve other chapters examples also. Okay, so please don't ask question lesson number 2, what about lesson number 2, what about lesson number 3, what about lesson number 4. We will be doing it, but according certain sequence we have, which we have to follow. Okay, so lesson number 6 will be done. And then because that concept is important in other lessons also. Okay, you will not face problems in other chapters because of that. I hope you understand. So please do not inquire about lesson number 2, 3, 4 and 5. We'll be doing it, but according to certain sequence. Okay, so I hope today's homework is, please revise exercise 1A and 1B. Okay, thank you so much. And also I'll be posting or I'll be uploading few extra questions related to this lesson along with answer key. You have to just solve it and check whether you are able to solve it or not. Okay, it will be considered as revision number 1, lesson number 1, so revision number 1. Okay, so thank you so much and please take care.